Hey there, welcome to Honey I'm Home. You must know by now that I'm making the ever so famous sugar candy called Dalgona from the viral show Squid Game.
No.
This South Korean sweet featured as the second lethal challenges in the series and has become a global craze. Let's see how to make the Dalgona first. We need sugar. I'm using fine sugar over here. Baking soda, a flat surface which is well oiled. You can use a measuring cup or a glass. A cookie cutter which is oiled. You can also use any shape. A ladle or a pan. Chopstick or a spoon. And a baking paper or a steel surface that is well oiled. Let's start. Turn on the flame to a low. Let's measure out 1/4 of a tablespoon of sugar into the ladle. Now let's caramelize this. You can even do this in a pan. Have you watched the series yet? If yes, which episode did you like the best or which one was terrifying? For me, it was the sixth episode that broke my heart. Sangwoo did Ali 30. This TV series is kind of similar to a few other series and movies. Viewers have drawn comparisons to films like Hunger Games, Battle Royale, and Kill Bill. What do you think? The writer director Huang made use of the most beautiful and innocent memories from childhood into the most horrifying reality. Now let's drop in a pinch of baking soda and mix it in well. Pour it as soon as it is completely mixed. Make sure all of your things are ready and in order before you start to make this. I'm going to divide it and pour it into two blobs. Let's quickly press that. I just realized I didn't think this through. The sugar takes a few seconds to harden and only then can I take off the measuring cup. That meant the other sugar blob would harden up. So I quickly greased a mug and flattened it up. The sugar had already hardened a bit, but I guess it's gonna be okay for now. Use a smaller cutter and mark it. That's done, but I'll be making two more just in case. I think I can do better. Making less quantity now, enough sugar only for one blob. Let's melt that and caramelize it and throw in the baking soda. Cream that up and then flatten it. When the sugar mixture foams up with the baking soda, it turns into something that looks like light caramel colored whipping cream. This part resembles whipped coffee, thus the name Dalgona. So the rules are simple. One is supposed to carve out the symbol etched into the sugar candy. In our case, it's a circle, without cracking the whole piece, or you risk being shot. I mean, no one's dying today, but do you think we'll survive? Place your bets now. We have set the clock to a countdown. We have 10 minutes to complete the task, keeping a lighter handy just in case.
Oh, you can even use Kartikeyan uncle. Okay.
This round didn't take us too long. Arjun was done in less than a minute and had a what's the big deal about this game kind of look on his face. If only his life depended on it.
Oh, yeah, okay.
But I'm not gonna lie, it was actually easy to carve it out this time. We had plenty of time left on the clock as well.
Nice.
Within under a minute.
Arjun asked if he could try the bits, to which I said yes. His face goes from a nice, this tastes really good, to this tastes burnt.
burn ആയിട്ടുള്ള
I really can't cast him in my cooking channel, that's for sure.
Needles are
ഇനി ആ ഇല്ല ഫാസ്റ്റ്
So now he suggested that it should have been thicker. So this calls for a round 2. Let me repeat, he asked for a thicker one. Guess the game was boring, he's already yawning. Yes, we can all see that my hair is levitating right now. Let's ignore and move forward.
10 minutes. Start.
This was slightly tougher. I did not press the cookie cutter into it much, and I also made it slightly thicker.
The tougher one, okay. You can even lick if you want to. Chip it you're dead, okay?
Leaning in to see if his is chipped and if he's cheating. And thank God for that, my hair is fixed and free.
അത് നിന്റെ ഈസി ആയിരുന്നു
No.
I was done with the game, and now he's accusing me of having the easier honeycomb. I'm just sitting here shaping up my circle, waiting for him to finish, and also overthinking and wondering if he'd give me the 10 marbles for me to survive the next round. Because I'm sure I'd be pairing up with this human. Will he be my Ganbu? What do you think?
സത്യമല്ല നിന്റെ കട്ടി തിക്കാക്കിട്ടതായി
No.
Now he's complaining that his is thick. He asked for a thicker one last round.
Needle?
He can never make up his mind.
Okay, he broke the needle.
Now he snapped the needle into two. A few minutes have passed and I'm bored now. I have a feeling this one just wouldn't survive him there.
No, let's go here.
തിക്നെസ് നോക്ക്
No, finish it fast.
തിക്നെസ് നോക്ക്
Fast, fast.
ഡബിൾ ആണ് അതിന്റെ
At 5 minutes, you got 5 minutes.
5 minutes later, he's still not done. Alright, he's done now. And now he's going to compare his to mine to show that his was much thicker. In my defense, he did ask for a thicker one and now he's complaining.
We're allowed to cheat with our life. You asked for a thicker one.
Double
Oh,
size.
so we're done. Yeah. 4 minutes 45. Still on the time.
വൃത്തിയാക്കി വെച്ചോ. Needle.
You be the judge. That's his. It's not too thick. And there's mine. Don't you think it's almost of the same thickness? Let me know what you think, alright? I hope you did enjoy watching this video. Until next time.